Choose the correct solution for the matrix addition problem. When you're adding matrices, you have to make sure that they have the same dimensions, and then you just add the corresponding entries. So let's see, just real quick here. 1, 2 rows, 1, 2 columns, 2, and then 2. Both matrices are 2 by 2 for dimensions. They can be added. These are 2 by 2. It also means the answer is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. When you're adding matrices, your answer matrix has to have the same dimensions also. So I'm getting it ready. Got the left bracket. Let's add the entries. 4 plus 1.9, that's going to be 5.9. The next entry is going to be negative 4 plus negative 3.2. Now negative 4 plus negative 3.2 is the same thing as negative 4 minus 3.2. And that's going to be equal to negative 7.2. So negative 7.2 is going to be the next entry. Go ahead and close that. 1.5 plus negative 4.6. So that's the same thing as 1.5 minus 4.6. Now this is kind of a tough mental math problem, so what you can do is, you know this is going to be a negative. Of course you can't write negative up here. What you can do is you can do 4.6 minus 1.5, and then you can make that result a negative number. So 6 minus 5 is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, and bring down the decimal point. Your answer is going to be negative 3.1. So negative 3.1 goes here. And then the fourth entry, negative 3.2 plus 1.8, negative 3.2, and then 1.8. And this problem is kind of like with the one we just did a second ago. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3.2 minus 1.8. Borrow here. I'm going to get 4, and then 1. So 1.4. And again, it's negative 3.2 plus 1.8. The answer has to be a negative number. Negative 1.4. And again, there's nothing wrong with using a calculator to add and subtract decimals, but it's good to practice them by hand also.